Surah Al-Rum, also known as the chapter of the Romans, is the 30th chapter of the Quran. It is comprised of 60 verses and is classified as a Meccan surah, meaning it was revealed before the Prophet Muhammad's migration to Medina. The surah begins by discussing the defeat of the Romans by the Persians, which was a significant event at the time of revelation. Despite their defeat, the surah predicts that the Romans will be victorious in the future, within a few years. This prediction came true when the Romans defeated the Persians in the Battle of Issus in 622 CE. The surah then goes on to discuss the signs of Allah's existence and power in the natural world. It emphasizes the importance of reflecting on these signs as a means of strengthening one's faith and understanding of the Creator. Surah Al-Rum also touches on the concept of resurrection and the Day of Judgment. It describes the signs that will precede the Day of Judgment, such as the splitting of the moon and the rising of the sun from the west. These signs serve as a warning to humanity to prepare for the inevitable day of reckoning. The surah also addresses the disbelievers and their rejection of the truth. It warns them of the consequences of their disbelief and urges them to turn back to Allah before it is too late. Throughout the surah, there is a recurring theme of the rise and fall of nations. It serves as a reminder of the transient nature of worldly power and the ultimate authority of Allah. Surah Al-Rum concludes with a call to believers to hold fast to their faith and to strive for righteousness. It reminds them of the rewards that await those who remain steadfast in their belief and follow the teachings of the Quran. Overall, Surah Al-Rum is a powerful reminder of the signs of Allah's existence and power in the world. It serves as a source of guidance and inspiration for believers, urging them to reflect on the signs of Allah's creation and to prepare for the Day of Judgment.